G'day everyone, here at the Angus Roundup, wrap up of day 2. We've had a fantastic day today. We started off this morning with our junior judging. All the kids had to judge at least 2 classes, get asked some questions, and then we're looking forward to the final a little later on tonight. After that, we then went through and did a lot of educational sessions. Kids learn a lot today, everything from genetics to our little guys doing finger paintings of the best cows that they've seen. So it's been a great day, a lot of fun. We really look forward to our cattle classes kicking off tomorrow morning, and yeah, really looking forward to everything keep on going. It's a great event to be a part of, and look forward to the next one.